JetBlue 44, turn right heading 310.
Heading 310, JetBlue 44.
American 67 Heavy, reduce speed to 160.
For the 160, American 67 Heavy.
Connie 651 Heavy, reduce speed to 170.
Speed 170, Connie 651 Heavy.
Emirates 69 Romeo Super, maintain 180 knots to 5 DME, contact Kennedy Tower 119.1.
119.160 till 5, Emirates 69 Romeo.
And Emirates 69 Romeo Super, maintain 180 knots to 5 DME.
Unable 180, you can maintain 160 till 5, Emirates 69 Romeo Super.
Emirates 69 Romeo Super, are you able to do 170 knots to 5 DME?
170 is okay, 170 till 6 we are able, Emirates 69 Romeo.
Emirates 69 Romeo Super, roger, maintain 170 knots to 6 DME, contact Kennedy Tower 119.1.
119.1, 170 till 6, Emirates 69 Romeo.
Delta 2129, turn right, proceed direct Kimchi.
Turn right, direct Kimchi, Delta 2129.
Arrival at Lufthansa 410 Heavy, altitude 3000.
Lufthansa 410 Heavy, New York approach, roger. American 67 Heavy, what's your final approach speed today?
It's 140 American 67 Heavy.
Connie 651 Heavy, reduce speed to 160.
160, Connie 651 Heavy.
American 67 Heavy, 4 miles from Busan, cross Busan at 2,900, cleared ILS runway 13 left approach.
Busan 2,900, clear the island, 13 left, American 67 Heavy, you need us as well?
Yes, American 67 Heavy, reduce the final approach speed.
Reduce the final, American 67 Heavy.
Delta 2129, reduce speed to 180.
Delta 180, Delta 2129.
Lufthansa 410 Heavy, turn right heading 310.
Right heading 310, Lufthansa 410 Heavy.
Connie 651 Heavy, 5 miles from Busan, cross Busan, 2,900, clear to ILS, runway 13 left approach.
Cross Busan, 2,900, clear for the ILS 13 left, Connie 651 Heavy.
Connie 651 Heavy, what's your final approach speed today?
Connie 651, 155.
Connie 651 Heavy, reduce the final approach speed.
Reduce to final approach speed, Connie 651 Heavy.
Delta 2129, reduce speed to 160.
Pull to 160 knots, Delta 2129.
JetBlue 44, turn right, proceed direct Kimchi. American 67 Heavy, contact Kennedy Tower 119.1, good day.
Approach, good afternoon, Postman 360 Heavy, turning right heading 280, descending 3,000 feet.
Postman 360 Heavy, New York approach, roger. Connie 651 Heavy, are you able to reduce speed another 10 knots?
This is our slowest, Connie 651.
Connie 651, roger. Connie 651 Heavy, contact Tower 119.1, good day.
191, Connie 651, good day.
Aerotrans 360 Heavy, turn right heading 320.
Right heading 320, Postman 360 Heavy.
JetBlue 44, reduce speed to 170.
170, JetBlue 44.
Lufthansa 410 Heavy, reduce speed to 170.
Lufthansa 410, speed 170.
Delta 2129, 5 miles from Busan, cross Busan 2900, cleared, ILS runway 13 left approach.
Cross Busan at or above 2900, cleared ILS, runway 13 left approach, Delta 2129.
American 118 at a 3.8 for 3000.
American 118, New York approach, roger. Lufthansa 410 Heavy, turn right, proceed direct Kimchi.
Lufthansa 410, right direct Kimchi.
JetBlue 44, reduce speed to 160.
160, JetBlue 44.
Delta 2129, what's your final approach speed?
147 knots, Delta 2129.
Delta 2129, reduce the final approach speed.
Alright, slow to final approach speed, Delta 2129.
Lufthansa 410 Heavy, reduce speed to 160.
Lufthansa 410, heavy speed 160, that's the lowest we can do.
Right. Delta 2129, cancel your approach clearance, climb and maintain 3000.
I maintain 3000, Delta 2129.
JetBlue 44, are you able to increase speed to 180 now?
Yeah, we can do that.
JetBlue 44, 4 miles from Busan, cross Busan 2900, cleared ILS runway 13 left approach.
Alright, Busan at 2900, cleared ILS, 12 left, JetBlue 44.
Aerotrans 360 Heavy, turn right, proceed direct Kimchi.
Right direct Kimchi, Postman 360 Heavy.
American 118, turn right heading 310.
Right turn 310, American 118.
Delta 2129, turn right heading 180.
Right heading 180, Delta 2129.
Delta 747, 3000, 270 heading 190 knots.
JetBlue 44, contact Kennedy, power 119.1, good day.
91, JetBlue 44, C.
Lufthansa 410 Heavy, 5 miles from Busan, cross Busan 2900, cleared ILS runway 13 left approach.
Lufthansa 410, heavy, cross Busan 2900, cleared ILS 13 left approach.
American Delta 747, 3000.
Delta 747, New York approach, roger. Aerotrans 360 Heavy, reduce speed to 170.
Speed 170 knots, Postman 360 Heavy.
American 118, turn right, proceed direct Kimchi.
Direct Kimchi, American 118.
Lufthansa 410 Heavy, reduce speed to 160.
We have speed 160, Lufthansa 410 heavy.
Delta 747, reduce speed to 170.
Delta 747, 180, our sun, 170 knots.
Postman 360 Heavy, confirm after Kimchi Busan.
Correction, Postman 360 Heavy, affirmative.
Roger, direct Busan now, Postman 360 Heavy.
Delta 2129, say airspeed.
Airspeed 220 knots. What do you need? Delta 2129.
Delta 2129, maintain 190 knots.
Alright, slow to 190 knots. Delta 2129, you got it.
Postman 360 Heavy, 5 miles from Busan, cross Busan, 2900, cleared ILS runway 13 left approach.
To Busan at 2900 and clear the ILS approach 13 left, Postman 360 Heavy.
Delta 2129, turn right heading 220. Okay. Delta 2129, turn right heading 220.
Heading 220, 2129.
Lufthansa 410 Heavy, contact Kennedy Tower 119.1, good day.
119.1, Lufthansa 410 Heavy, good day.
Delta 747, turn right heading 310.
310 heading, Delta 747.
Delta 2129, turn right heading 270.
Right heading 270, Delta 2129.
Delta 2129, turn right heading 310.
Right heading 310, Delta 2129.
Delta 747, turn right, proceed direct Kimchi.
Kimchi, Delta 747.
Postman 360 Heavy, contact Tower 119.1, good day.
Tower 119.1, Postman 360 Heavy, good day, bye.
American 118, reduce speed to 160.
Slow to 160, American 118.
Delta 2129, reduce speed to 180.
Slow to 180 knots. Delta 2129.